to customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, choose Wallpaper and Style. After that, we should be able to tap on the lock screen, and now you can start customizing it. So in here, if you tap on the clock, you can find a bunch of different customization options for the clock. So be sure to check that out. We can also go to Style in order to find many different styles for the clock as well. Besides that, you can grab by the corner, any of the corners, in order to make the clock bigger or smaller. We can add widgets to the lock screen as well. We have 4 slots in total, and some widgets are 1 by 1 or 2 by 1, and 2 by 1 of course take 2 spaces. There we go. So we can keep adding stuff into our lock screen, so then you can quickly access these features. If you want to remove something, you can use the minus button that we have in the upper right corner of the widget. In the bottom left and bottom right corner, we can find lock screen shortcuts, which we can easily adjust. And that is of course pretty much it in the case of the content of the lock screen. Of course, we can change the wallpaper as well. For example, here, if you tap in the upper left corner on this icon, you can search for a wallpaper that you wish to use on your phone. And also, if you use like a pre-added wallpaper, then at the bottom of the screen you can find some additional options that allow you to slightly customize the wallpaper. And remember to use the Done button that we have in the upper right corner in order to save your changes if you made any. Leave a like and subscribe.